Well, hello, and once again, I will this is another video basically on differentiation, but this time I'll focus more on product rule. In the last video I did, I focused mainly on power rule, and I mentioned about the product rule and the quotient rule. And I said I will do one or two videos concerning products and quotients. Okay, so this is the basic one for quotient. So quotient rule is simply dy dx will give me if I'm differentiating two factors or say variables that are multiplying each other, it's going to give me the first variable. I'll call the first variable u multiplied by the differential of the second variable, that is the first derivative of the second variable, plus the second variable multiplied by the first derivative of the first variable, which could also be written as u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, so assuming I'm given y is equal to 3x squared minus 2 and 9x minus 1, I'll call the first one u, I'll call the second one v. So instead of plugging in the formula directly, let me take this slowly. You first of all say bring out your u is equal to 3x squared minus 2, then u prime, that's du dx is equal to, if I differentiate this, I get, remember from the power rule, power come down, power go up, minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2 minus 1, that's power go up minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then minus this 2, but as I told you, if you are differentiating a constant, you are going to get 0, because I have 0 here. This 0 will come down, giving me 0 multiplied by 2, 0 minus 1. So this is going to be 6x, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 multiplied by everything here gives me 0. Then my v is equal to 9x minus 1. Then my v dx, that's my v prime, would be, if I differentiate 9x, the power here is 1, so 1 come down, 1 times 9, 9, power go up minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, giving me x raised power 0 minus 0.1 x raised power 0 minus 1. So this gives me x raised power 0 is 1, 1 times 9, 9, 0 multiply everything here, giving me 0, so this is 9. So moving on, if I plug this into this equation, then my y prime, that's my dy dx, would give me u multiplied by v prime. What is my u? 3x squared minus 2 minus 2 multiplied by the differential or the derivative of v, that's v prime, that's 9, multiplied by 9 plus, that's a plus, so everything here on this side, plus v multiplied by the derivative of u. So this is my v, 9x minus 1, 9x minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of u. And what's the derivative of u? 6x. 6x. So this is going to be, that's y prime, is going to give me, if I'm opening the brackets, 9 times 3x squared, that's 27 x squared minus 18 plus 6x times this gives me, that's plus, gives me 54 x squared minus 6x. So y prime would be 27x squared plus 54 x squared. This is going to give me 81x squared. Yeah. 81x squared, then minus 6x minus 18. So this is the first derivative of y. This is just basic thing. And then if you want to confirm this, you can simply open the brackets and differentiate each of them separately, because there will be either a minus sign or a positive sign between each of them. You still end up with this. So that's one thing about product rule for differentiation. You have to keep this in mind. It will help you. And I advise that you bring out all your points, or should I say factors or figures or variables, in order to get a short work like this. It will not be that long. If you are good at plugging it in fast, yes, you can. So you should practice more often. It's going to give you a step ahead. So in the next video, I'll work on quotient rule, chain rule, and the rest. But before then, let's take another example. Okay, let's say that y is equal to 3x 2x. So this is my u, this is my v. My u is equal to 3x. My u prime will be equal to, power here is 1, power come down, power go up, minus 1. 1 times 3 gives me 3. 1 minus 1, 0. X power 0 is 1 times 3 gives me 3. Then my v is equal to 2x. So I apply the same here, my v prime will give me 2. So plugging this here gives me my dy dx to be equal to u, that is 3x multiplied by v prime. So u is 3x multiplied by v prime, that's 2, plus v multiplied by u prime. So what's my v? 2x multiplied by u prime is 3. So this gives me 6x, that's 2 times 3, plus 3 times 2, 6x, which is equal to 12x. Now that's applying quotient, product rule. But if I'm taking it directly, it's just going to give me 6x squared. That's 2x times 3x, 6x squared. Power up, now power go up, minus 1. 2 times 6, 12. 2 minus 1, 1. So the same thing as 12x. So it's also the same thing. You can multiply both sides directly and then differentiate. But in a situation whereby you are told to use product rule, this is just the basic step. Alright, I'll see you in my next video.